Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified. Ebusian for Mami first akunya we damunina ase. Essence say you are helping this channel grow, and then also you are helping us keep bringing contents every now and then. For some time now, we've been appealing. So, wait me up channel by donating because we are not getting how do you say it, advertisement deals yet. Because of the nature of the channel. When you say channel, pro MPPNT, many people don't really want to associate with the channel. But Ebusianfo, say you have been stepping in big for us every time, almost all the time. And even those people who do not even have the opportunity or who do not have yet to give Kurano, some of you still reach out and encourage us. Eda mwase be bring amishramu. Ebusianfo, yanko ena asem swe. Ene Professor Violent Kisano, Samukaino. Now Yejuma University of Ghana. Onuna Asheni Humbo say he would make Akufo-Addo government unpopular. Nukrenya meaning TV3 so to me provide this platform no mano. Say he would go there every day, go and lambast the government, go eko kansema uju wawunti asiye. Now true to his word, Mahama His Excellency. Onya wini pe eya sweni in. So Mampeni Akwaba. One of the first appointments our year any transport Gyampo or Odinoko Ghana Shippers Authority. Now Ghana Shippers Authority one day apparently say Skawo eti wa utimi koye juma hona you make a good time, a good use of with connections and then your time there no benya skapa. Now from there for example, they said yeah, or that massage akonya bemu, right? As akonya all full body. Now ko check some massage machine no price but could be around $11,000. Now be someone who say, hey, Professor, akonya has can one less than 1 year war power no. But we put all those aside. But who say 24 acres say if you live in a glass house, no, don't throw stone. Right? It will seem to you, say, Ghanaians have forgotten, and I say, MPP4 have forgotten all the things you have done. But sometimes, they're just quiet and waiting for the right time. Now, somebody, our MPP, will say, wait a right time, no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he has been trying hard to portray, say, no, under his government, he is not going to entertain certain things. And to why the assembly found he will let them people investigate. In fact, he has gone ahead to remove Chief Justice. And he said, Oman Penny ultimately Chief Justice no free hodie. Say, enye CEO na ultimately free. Enye sir. And a well-meaning Ghanaian has taken it upon herself to test the resolve of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by petitioning the presidency, against for Gyampo so the woman actually petitioned the presidency for the removal of Gyampo as the CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. And let me read the petition to you because petition there apparently presidency Omusanyaka and they have received at the presidency and it is in their hands, in their domain, and it's been there for a day or two. Now it's read. Petition to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, RE, call for the revocation of the appointment of Professor Ransford Edward Van Gyampo as CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. Your Excellency, the undersigned petitioner is a citizen of our beloved nation, Ghana, and a believer in the respect of the dignity of all humans as guaranteed by the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. As a young Ghanaian woman, I have witnessed deliberate government programs since the early 1990s aimed at making Ghana a haven for the girl child and women, notably the passage of the Affirmative Action, that's Gender Equity, Act 2024, Act 1121. However, recent events have left me and many women with profound concern about the security of women in this country. And the appointment of Professor Ransford Edward Van Gyampo as Chief Executive of the Ghana Shippers Authority suggests an evident decline in national effort to protect the girl child and women generally. Now, so as not to bore you, the content basically of this petition are yes, sister, send it to Mahama, His Excellency. Ghana as a man, relatively, it is quite safe. About safety for women, a safe haven. Ghana is one of the topmost destinations, the whole of the world. Now, as His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, by appointing, quote unquote, Obia sex predator, Obia ontimishani hunso, right? As a CEO, the message he's sending out there, and he say, government does not care about how you harass people, how you abuse your power, how you treat women. Government does not care about it. All government cares about is where campaign and when you read the petition, which is on your screen by now, and you go into her prayers, the prayers are simple. Say, use Gyampo as a lesson. No, use Gyampo as an example for others. Say you cannot be a predator and still be receiving high salaries from the government. Now, why University of Ghana, Assembly, it ended where it ended. We don't want to go into those technicalities, but let's all see whether His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is serious about the so-called discipline that he wants to let Ghanaians believe that he is. Disciplinary that he wants to let Ghanaians believe that he is. Whatever happens in the coming days, I'll keep you updated. Hi, Ghana SMTVGH. You can still support us. The number is down there. MTN number. We appreciate you. We love you. See you in the next one. The message is up next. Don't go anywhere.
Democracy building to say sabe ye nuanom aibefuasa okwede nim baako ne yetu mienu abachiri ne abachire mienu yekoye nim baako ne abeyachi mienu enti agbada no saa na omsa no enti utu na ne baako no aba na chi mienu enti saa na Ghana political party, the political system na ye no NPP ba na orezi ba no ma betwe ahoma no na betofom na waba ansa no wasabe tu amana de wenesi no ma sa atwe na ya behwefom enti de bia se oman no ya ye standstill yegina ba bia yegina enti Ghana fo 2028 come 2028 moma yenhwe se sa aban fun wei
the voice.
Because woman visionless. They can't plan. Enya bobo me say abaja I before na say bobo dey crying for us.
David bobo no we
I before so say bobo no but me make abaja say voice of MPP agbada yekoye nim baako ne aba yechi mienu yekoye nim baako ne sa and I say your mind no ebedi MPP sama no two step and this ebedi a no mo dey asan yechi sa na say wo dey oman no ya
na the voice everyone wants on call position bia wo voter region the voice they say mayor call youth organizer the voice me who position ya wo pe ho the bia so o the new patriotic party position ko na yen support o na yen campaign ma the rock
it's me running up into come 2028 okun no emu be ye den nanso ye nim say meme de minim say NDC womo artificial economy na womo so womo build no ebeji aguse tu saa te se ehina abo no enche bia ebegu from to start so because now within 1 year gold reservoir na ye oguo nyina mo aton de aye we nti say shots bia ba ye ni ba bia ye de ho ekwa akoshe biem ye
NS say o se den wase o
don't pay attention to name enkwasiafo I don't pay attention to enkwasiafo being someone awoka yes, opinions are like roses. And over to me, I can't do a Kenyan. And I say, as I was saying, we are okay. Yan can't NDC. And I said, John Funu to me as I befa Batakaria, not how much more NPP. John Funumpo. You are not to me about befa Batakaria, sign a really Ghana Bima. How much more NPP? A party with a vision. A party with intellectuals. You to me a general watching. We think about future tomorrow. Na ye de ayen hyehyɛ de ama ayu oman no mo de mo de mudi de ekomonum ne NDC for de ekomonum ne nko ade hiom nti no mtimi gira dokono ne makoso to aba no de
ekomonum ene o ene nya china de kra o
de ekomonum ne
20 years de ene
ekomonum ne ya ne
this hour na
de ekomonum ene ya ne hia wo NDC for nti na wo mtimi gira dokono ne makoso ene to aba no na se enti se wokọ wo typical NDC fo num choko ho ne ade a you go and look at their condition, their standard of living, and now be making a better conclusion of what I'm saying. Go there and see. Na hwa na ebedie na de na ebedie na ekwan na ebedie dokono enam na hia wo mo nti enam ene eburo ene hia wo mo ne se wo se wo ye daache papa bi wo hyehyɛ oman a wo beto obu ase ama eyi projects a ekoso ne ade nyina no wo se enya kwan na ebedi ada enya kwan na ebedi wo were fi se kwan na wo benam so a wo koyi wo kopro so kra na wo koyi nam na wo de be kodwa so akwa akoton ya na mo were fi ho ya na mo were fi enti ye de ye te ha ye hwɛ wo mo so wo mo betumi aye ye hwɛ Ghana eye ma ye nyina na emum sa artificial economy we ya wo mo build ne de mesese say CSOs any wo mo nyina wo manu wo mo ho but they cannot come out to speak wo mo nyina say nsem hyehyɛ wo mo bo just that 78 million Ghana cedis no a kwachi ofoso age na wo chichema wo mo nti no say they have kept mute. But enye woman so kwa na to aba they form the smaller population of the whole country no enti at 2028 those people now who are much affected by certain decisions bit say koko board ne abide ya wo ma taking no they will speak, they will vote to show their anger, to tell you say when wo ma anye dey ni ye enti ye de ete ha ye hwe de bekọ akosie but adwuma no afei ye wie we ni nyina adwuma na start yenya sebe ye ho watimi wakame no we should come together as one political party. We should be able say ye beboa mpanimfo no ama rebuilding ne unity na ye nyina ye pe no akoso aba ne ya to awie obia etu akotwere ba bi ote etwere ba di odi nkuguo fairness eba ye nti obia odi nkuguo bi aka na no atum obia asem bia ne akire nti ye di aka no say ye nka ye humum na ye mo dawuro no obia de kakro betumi ite say miracle no bi o mafato o mhusu yi ba bi obia susu say ono so obetumi play a role obetumi de ne na hoden ahye no energy ye mfa nhyem e wo campaign. The campaign start from now na ye mo abai nachi say no hwan bia ye focus any ye nyina should go to the abai no na ye gina wo na so make sure say wo mo be the good thing so that in 2028 said Dr. Bawumia beba no na wo mo ya makwa mo man say niema ne bebre ama na mebre too much medamas
ya ma boy diva mo ya medey agu ase
Yabe la sula la
50 bucks ago na agu ade ehwehwe amesa no
ne papa bi si this way there mono are anase momi esini de aye koko pada
papa this there
papa say baby adu no wa no abi anwe this year de koko pada kromu a eurade so mbesi
ekrofo bi kra chati isi o mo de
o enti mpa mo cho abusuafo bia ni idea bi obetimi di aboa me na se me di gu a ebesa ya na agu
se o de ma wi amo ne kakra okay And
Na
you are born
mesili anona saka me de ko ayi o. Me de ko ma ayi. Krachi anesa.
so that we
Koko
trying
krachi
to
bi na
marry
me
a
de
man.
bi.
Titi kotokuna no na start hata because
Okay.
we are bo why
Okay.
start hata na a dry year udi se kotokuma ebetimi adi be 3 to 4 months ansana say
Ah,
and
obi se fire cocoa melon.
Mini
Yes,
aba
I
misrao.
did I've been putting na okay.
Nana.
Mini
Another 4
aba
months
misrao
again. Oh,
ton
my
preko.
son
Why?
can.
Misrao ton preko. Na mo te won mo ana aba 1,000 Ghana.
Hey, I don't know. Oh yes, sir.
Kwen. I count 3 minutes too.
Abusiafo. Masɛm yɛ nti na mede bɛfoto m'anim sɛ nka ebi a obi wɔ ko machine bi a ɔbɛboa me nanka sɛ yɛ hu sɛ
Mahama
yɛ
with
ne
the
dan
phone.
nanka ɛne agya yɛde akɔyɛ sɛ kyɛ sɛ mehu nyɛ menyɛ wei deɛ madi ayi paa
Many
yɛyɛ
of I go,
bɔbɔne
yes,
na
I could be an MPP for by a tongue.
Jesus Christ da bɛn ne kyerɛ
Anu meboa 4 years time na what?
saa wɔ ho
Duamum. Na ga su di ti o.
ɛyɛ besia na megyeeyɛ
Ene ton is an na say be ko
but how
1,000.
many bucks ne
50
diba mesro ade we here interruption
Which
50
one?
bucks you
50
see 50 bucks diba bucks ba kokoro betimi take almost about one friend 20 acres of land oh
Oh,
eti
really?
asaba
Obi any place some.
me
Kwen.
Mahama
Make you stop
mesrɛ
missing. I'm
Yɛwura Mahama wei deɛ mesrɛ wo a ne die mu a sɛ
Na me
wotie de
kuma
ba
su
fi
tiri
bi
mo
a
den papa.
mepa wo
Na
kyɛw hunu me mmɔbɔ wate
tiri mo den
wodeɛ sɛ
papa
wontie
Solo
obi
patro
adeɛ ma
meeting
no a
we are no wa be Mr. Wa.
Yɛwura sɛ wontie obi adeɛ ma no a mesrɛ me wɔtoɔ kama me w'anim nso kama mesrɛ wo sɛ mefa me picture mmerɛ n'akyi a me nko ara me deɛ no ma me 3,100 a Yɛwura mesrɛ wo a wadi a
Pound
dabra
it
ka hunu
use
me
this
mmɔbɔ
for.
mepa wo kyɛw ala mesrɛ wo machi ne m'anim akyi sɛ lɔde na pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ wa Yɛwura mede nyame din serɛ wo wodeɛ wontuo biara deɛ ma na because sɛ sika wei deɛ
Many of I
anhwɛ yi
ain't Ethiopia.
aw atasatase ɛbɛbɔ me pa wo kyɛw Yɛwura sɛdeɛ covid time na naado sɛnea osi yie nneɛma ɔkeka nneɛma bɔ ani tua tikyafoɔ
kumase kwen wo se wo to
mm
kumase kwen
Abepon.
wo se wo to
me watoɔ na me wɔ animonyam
Share some
Mahama
one
so de
jai
na ni
mosa.
je to papa
ɛnti na nka mesere so ontuo obiara deɛ
Some
ma na
one jai sad now
nka
on.
mesɛ ne picture ma no na wahwɛ me deɛ no ho na watua ma me
Ethiopia.
And you sending a fast why never boy.
o chama
Kwen wrap up mame. Wrap up.
Wakoye ho
ahoɔ
adwuma ana.
idiva yɛ ɔya
Wrap
yɛ
up
ɔya
mame.
enti mesere mo abusuafoɔ covid time na na ado timi keka nneɛma si ani ɛna agya
Kojo ni evi me famo.
yɛtua amoka